My name's Isabelle Miller. I am on the Financial Crime Apprenticeship and I have been here since October 2022. So working for a large organisation like Santander hasn't always been my ambition. From when I was little, I've always wanted to work with animals. It's all I've ever wanted to do. I worked for a veterinary practice and then I decided I wanted to take it further and study it at university. And within a couple of months, it just completely went downhill. I was bullied. I was trapped in my house due to COVID rules at the time. We weren't allowed to go home. I was just in the depths of despair, basically. One day I was in my room and I thought, genuinely how I'm feeling right now, nothing could be worse. Nothing was going to get better. If I sit here any longer, I'm going to do something very stupid. I called an Uber and I took myself to A&E. And that was the moment that I suddenly realised that this didn't have to be my life forever and I didn't have to live in this mindset. I had to leave and drop out for the sake of my health and my life, and I think for the longest time I held so much pain in that respect. I thought I was such a failure and I felt so bad for letting everybody down around me, and so I thought I've got to get out and do something. I got a job in Milton Keynes and I met the most amazing girls ever, but after a while I thought that I didn't want to be in this job forever and I wanted to make something of myself and challenge myself like I did before. And so when I was on holiday in Tenerife, I saw the advert for the Financial Crime Apprenticeship pop up. I decided that it was a really good idea to just go for it and just apply and see what happened. So something that really stands out to me about the company since joining a career here is how much everyone cares about you. In the first 2 weeks of me starting, I was invited to the Santander Fest, which was a big festival with all of the apprenticeships and graduates where you could meet and network with so many different people and learn what their journey was. It was just so nice to meet like-minded people and to have that friendship. I think it's so important to have that support network around you because it makes you feel like there's nothing that you can't do. I know that I have the potential to go so far in this job. There are so many different aspects that you can go into, whether it's financial crime or auditing. There's always a role out there for you, and there's so many people around you that are so happy to help you take that next step, and that's so important. So my friends and family are so over the moon that I work for Santander, especially my dad. I think he's quite jealous. He's always asking me about different things that I'm doing in my role, always joking about taking him in one day. My mum is my best friend and she is just my absolute rock, and if I ever needed anything, even during university, she would always be at the end of the phone. They've had to see me at such a low level of my life, and so to see me now, I just think they're so proud of me. My dog Ted, he is just my world, and I genuinely cannot imagine my life without him. I think that it would be so different. I love him to pieces. My advice for anyone considering a career with Santander is to just go for it. If I was given the choice to go back to uni or have an apprenticeship here at Santander, over 100% it would always be here. I am a uni dropout with nothing but retail experience, and yet I have managed to get myself into such an amazing position, and if I can do it, then you definitely can as well.